PolarTREC is an educational research experience in which K through 12 teachers participate in Arctic and Antarctic research, working closely with scientists as a pathway to improving science education.
I think this is just a great opportunity to experience a whole different type of field research. I've become really concerned over the years that we have a lot of people that are beginning to teach science that aren't getting involved in research opportunities, and one of the things that I want to take away is not just opportunities to share good field research with my students, but also the importance of staying in touch with science as a field with my colleagues.
Learned a lot from textbooks and articles and journal articles and things like that, but it'll be nice to see some actual research in the field.
85% of Greenland is covered in snow and ice. Scientists believe that the ice sheet there holds the key to a wealth of information about the history of our atmosphere. So for 2 weeks in May and June of 2006, Kevin McMahon and Mike Bergen studied the links between climate, pollutants, and changes in the atmosphere.
I think it's beneficial to researchers for two reasons primarily. One is it's an extra set of willing hands and a strong back. More important is the chance for the researcher to come down out of the ivory tower to realize, oh, wait a minute, I could be doing more in terms of outreach. My research has a broader impact. Here's a way for me to share it. The teacher is a good avenue, a good translator for that information.
I think this is an absolutely fantastic opportunity to bring an environment and share pictures and experience that my students are starting to ask questions about live in real time.
21st century technology made it easy for Kevin McMahon to share his research progress with his students and other interested observers. Through a virtual Basecamp website on the internet, he posted digital photographs and created podcasts.
I've gotten really excited about using scientific projects as a way to teach content in my elementary school classroom. I think it was another teacher that said it really provides real experiences for kids, and I've noticed with the work that I've done so far that it also automatically answers the question of why do I have to learn this stuff when they interact and see scientists using the same concepts that they're being taught in the classroom.
Ice is very strong if you try and crack it or break through it along the plane of the ice. But ice is fairly weak if you bend it and you break it by bending. And so the hull shape of Healy is designed so that the bow of the ship will ride up on top of the ice and use the weight of the ship to bend it and break the ice. For all the years that I've been on different icebreakers, it never becomes boring to watch the ship as we break through the ice.
Our kids kind of brainstormed and came up with wanting to know about air particles and the pollution and what happens when they actually land on the ice sheet. A lot of the stuff that we were studying in Greenland, we can also study here in Georgia.
Well, first of all, I'm really looking forward to getting out in the field and getting a little dirty. And it sounds like I will be out in the water and collecting stuff. Yeah, I can't wait.
It turned out to be pretty interesting. It's a fun project. It's a neat place out here.
Join PolarTREC. Visit our website at PolarTREC.com.